Hi, this is Matt, Mr. Dryout. I'm out here in Tampa today doing a landlord job. Let's go take a look. This is the living room floors. Pergo engineered floors. You can kind of see where the floor is buckling there. The floor is coming up. Somewhere I took the baseboard off on that wall. Has some discoloration there. From a roof leak. So we can take that out and that drywall there. We come around the other side. More pergo flooring. Taking the baseboards out there. And in this little closet area, we took that wall down. The ceiling's coming down. See all the seams are really swollen and discoloration there. We just removed this one piece of wall. And you can see inside the wall on the other side is discolored. We're going to take that all out too. So we took out the floor here, around the base, all the way up. And then took out the whole ceiling. It was really damp. And here, took out 2 foot high to the door there. The owner wanted us to leave some wood floor. I don't know why. So we took out all this wood floor. And about half the wood floor in the living room took out. And we took out a little corner up there.